guys, good job. Okay lang.
Si Mark is ang manager, ako yung driver nila.
Next week, makikita guys sa Batangas. Samahan kayo. Sige. Joaquin.
I'm Brian.
Hi, Brian.
I'm Alvin.
I'm Sean.
Carlo. Hey, what's up, dudes? Welcome to Asap Sila. Thank you for blessing us with that In My Feelings challenge.
Yes. Wait lang, may tanong lang. Paano ba na po?
We are dancers from Cavite. And then, nag-collaborate kami to make a team na gumawa ng mga dance videos. So,
Ilang years na kayong magka-group?
1 year pa lang po.
1 year pa.
Sino yung leader dito?
Si Kiki.
Ayan.
Anong Kiki?
Ako lang yung leader, diba? Diba manager ako? Okay lang guys, huwag niyo na yung sa akin. Okay lang yan. Ako palang driver.
Tapos nag-cover kayo, tapos in-upload nyo, tapos nag-viral.
Yes, po.
Okay. Ayan.
Sa Facebook ba o sa YouTube? Facebook lang.
Tapos, yung, yung gusto namin is makasayaw kayo.
Let's go.
Isa-isa. Mauna po tayo sa manager nyo na si Marco.
Yes!
Let's go, manager. Sabay na lang tayo lahat. Sabay na lang tayo. Sabay na lang tayo lahat. Boys muna, boys.
Okay.
Medyo, iba ang choreo namin.
Let's go.
Hindi ko alam niya.
Mamaya mag-coordinate, kaya mag-practice muna kami dito sa harap niyo.
Ay, nagpaplano pa. Ay, kaya mo yan, Elboy.
Song is about you, di ba?
Kiki! In my feelings! Walang feelings! May feelings! Wala dapat may feelings! Sorry! Hindi! O ayan, mga babae naman. O girls naman. Hindi ako babae! Tipo!
Since sabi ni Maymay kanina, wala siyang feelings.
Sige.
Let's give her some feelings.
Second check. Teka lang, ikaklaro ko lang. Ibang feeling sa pagmamahal.
Oh my God.
Bakit yung dinadala?
Ito kasi yung segue ko sa...
Dapat ibang feelings naman dito ka. Teka lang kami ba? Oo, sila. Dito lang kami sa gilid. Sila. Sama sila. Kayo gagawa. O, dahil may challenge tayo.
So, May, kasi wala kang feelings. Wala kang feelings. Feeling mo na siya.
Naku, yun. Shout out daw. Gagaling.
Are you afraid of your feelings, May? Takot ka ba sa mga feelings mo?
Sila daw. Paano ba yung afraid? Sayaw kayo ng In My Feelings na yung feeling ay afraid. Okay, sige. Kaya mo na yan, May. Uy, hindi na tayo lahat. Kaya mo yan, Baris. Sama tayo. Sige, let's go. Lahat tayo. Okay. Hindi na kasi afraid tayo. Paano yan? Ayun! Dito siya. Ganda na po yung TikTok.
Si Sean na naman. Ang gusto nila. Si Sean.
Dapat
Magpapatawa ka, sumaka yung asin eh.
Sad. Hello.
Edward na naman
Si Edward pa rin. Edward.
Go, Edward!
Iiyak ka yan!
Iiyak kayo. Wintuha. Wintuha. Acting to. Oo, actors
Actors
cue
cue,
na.
actors cue na, direct, direct.
Okay, hungot.
Yes po, naka-red siya.
Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. 'Cause I want you, and I need you, and I'm down for you.
Galing si Edward. Kasi galing. Bakit Edward? Ang dami-dami
I've been going off, and they don't know when to stop. And they
Galing
keep getting tired, but I see that you've been learning. And when I tell you,
So yung sinabi ni Janine kanina, umaapaw yung puso ko sa mga
Umaapoy?
Tama ba?
Ayun po si Abri.
Umaapaw? Tama ba? Hindi ko alam kung tama yung Tagalog ko.
Teka lang.
But my heart is overflowing with feelings. And
Okay.
sometimes you have to hide the feelings to protect other people.
Okay. Magpo-prod muna daw sila, bro.
Ayun, so...
Sige sa mic.
Ayun.
Ayan. Yan, sige. O, tayo na, malalaki tayo dito. Tropa-tropa.
Tropa.
Audience member. Sino gustong sumayaw na? Catchy! Ay, in my feelings pala.
Let's go!
Ha?
Okay guys, so ang word ay energetic. Energetic. So hanapin natin ako. Energetic dito. Zero. Ito.
Chris, gusto na ka sumayaw. Yeah. Dalawa. Chris ba?
Parang linggo na dito si ate. Teka.
Yes. Kapit ka kapit. Ito.
Dalawa lang. Gusto ko lang. Wala nang iba. Kayong dalawa lang.
Ano yung feeling? Ano yung feeling?
Energetic ang feeling.
Energetic.
So, sige, isa pa daw, isa pa.
Let's go! Hey!
Sarap kayo, sarap ko.
Mag-support na rin dapat. Doon sa part.
Hoy, wala nang practice.
Walang practice na. Walang practice. Sino na kayo dito?
Ay!
Energetic.
Ang emotion.
Energetic.
So guys, ready na.
Ready na ba? Di mo na mag-adjust dito.
Okay, isa-isa to.
Sino gusto mo na?
Ayan guys.
Okay.
Yung pinakamagaling will win house and lot. Plus passion.
Ano sagot mo?
Music.
Music, okay muna. Let's go. Music.
tell me, are you riding? Say you never ever leave my side.
Ayaw nyo ng house and lot.
And I need you, and I'm down for you always. Keep me. And I need you, and I'm down for you always.
One more.
From the top.
Beside me, 'cause I want you.
Hey.
And I'm down for you always. Baby.
Okay, so guys, sa mga batang nanonood.
Ay, anong pangalan mo?
Sherry po.
Hindi, sa hype sa page
Hindi
nila.
ito ang goal namin.
Sa page nila.
Gagawin? Sino pipili?
Okay, isang pin.
Lahat ng contestants.
Balik dito. Analyze orderly line.
One line. Alright guys, we'll decide the winner by clapping, okay? Sino ang pinakamalakas? Alright, contestant number 1. Okay, contestant number 2. Contestant number 4. Contestant number 3. Contestant number 3, no?
Contestant number 3. Contestant number 3.
Anyong prize?
Gato ulit!
Do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me.
Cause I want you and I need you.
And I'm down for you, always carry me. Do you love me? Say you never ever leave from beside me. And I'm down for you, always. But the movie is really still good. And I say that for me. Steady trying to pull me. Gotta make some choices. They running out of options. Cause I've been going up. And they promise to stop. And then we get the top. And I say you can learn. And then when I tell
May
you
aminin ko sa'yo, walang house and lot. Pero yung un-everlasting
Crisp
love
high five.
sa'yo forever. Ang mga 1%.
Hindi daw sapat. Hindi daw sapat.
Eh, picture tayo. Picture tayo. Sige.
Sean! Si Sean gusto niya.
Talagang winner talaga kasi yung moves naman. Parang yung old school.
Guys, love ko kayo.
Okay.
Hindi naman kami nakakagat. Of course. Ano next? Okay, we'll wrap it up. Thank you guys so much again for coming on the show and teaching us my
Thanks so
feelings.
much po.
Maraming salamat din sa contestants. Palupakan naman dyan for the
Yeah!
contestants. Wow, guys. And of course, before you guys go,
Sean!
of course, if you guys want to plug your social media or mga events kayo to dance with, so
Ayun guys, like our page po, Hype, H-Y-P-E, Hype Dancers po, from Cavite.
Like the
Thank
page
you
mo.
po. Thank you.
Guys, Instagram ng lola ni Maymay. Ano na. Here guys, more kulitan and...
Oh, the best si Sean magturo ko.
Asa! Chila!
Sean!
Say you never ever leave.
Sean, hi! Live! Green!
Sabay pause.